This is a barcode scanner system. This is the barcode scanner, and it's connected to the USB host, or you can say USB to TTL converter. We just give 5 volt and connected to serial pins, and this is for power, and this is node MCU. It will connect to the internet and then update barcode scanner data to the Google Sheet. I have already scanned a product. Now I will scan again and see the product quantity is 2 or not. Product quantity updated. Now scan again this upper code. You can match this code also. Let's see demo here. Again I just scanned same code. Let's scan this dirty code and see the code is updating or not. This above code is scanned again. Now scan this code. 1 kg apple. You can match this code. Where is this is the, and also you can see the raw data here. This is the actual data which is sent by this module, and this is the portable. It's not connected to computer. It's just a billing format to demonstrate the product.